Okay, brothers, welcome again in a new video. In this video I will show you I created new things for you. It will be valuable for you and it will be very useful and give you too much flexibility how to convert any Python file into Windows programming or Windows program. How to convert a Python script into Windows program. Windows program means executive file or executable file with the extension exe, like any portable program, right? So any Python file, I think you remember before we created a new Python file anywhere. Here I can make a new Python file, okay, to create a new Python file, okay. Then I can right click and edit with Notepad. I added also this one and I add execute this one before, so to give you more flexibility while using Python programming. This is my approach in this video to show you how I created new things very good and useful for you. Before I created this new Python file, okay, and also the Python file created, you will be able to edit with Notepad. Also you will be able to with the other program IDLE come with this is installed with Python program, and the other one is how to edit with Notepad. Okay, after you edit this with Notepad and you write all your commands here, so finally you will be able to execute this file like this. So right click on this Python, you will be able to create a new things, especially this Python file can create any selected file into a grayscale picture. Okay, so I'll show you now how I make this one. Today I will create a new menu for this Python file, how to convert this Python file into how to convert the Python file to Windows program. Windows program means executable file or exe file. Means you can after this conversion, after this conversion you will have exe file, so you can run it in any Windows without needing to Python, if Python installed or not. So you will be able to run this this script or the program. This script Windows Python script means this is a program, okay, so it can run under this system because Python already installed in this system. But if you take this Python file to any computer, so you will not be able to run the commands written inside. Okay, so how to create this one to Windows file? I will add a new command, so will include to convert any Python file like this into Windows application or Windows program. So it's only very small things. It's only this registry program. Okay, this register script, see how much what is the size for this register script? It's approximately 1 kilobyte. It's only 1 kilobyte, but it will make very big difference in your system. Just also installation for this one, it's only like this, double click and you will apply yes or no. So right click on any Python file, you will find here convert to Windows application available in this, like this, exactly like this new commands I added. Edit with Notepad and also Python. This file means execute the commands written in this Python script. Okay, so let's make it right now. Double click, okay, make yes, press yes. Now congratulations, you have ability and capability to convert any Python file, any Python script into executive file or Windows program. Let's take this one as an example. Great, this is including a Python file. This Python program or this Python script can create and convert any picture into grayscale picture. Okay, so I will make the same. This is a Python script, so it means this is full of commands here inside to convert any picture into a grayscale. Okay, how to convert this file? Just right click, you will find converted to Windows application or converted to Windows application with debugging mode. Okay, I added these two commands into this Windows. Okay, so when you apply this one, but you have to install first. You should have Python installed in your system to be able to convert any this file. And also the second condition, you have to connect it to the internet. Okay, because if your system they didn't have any check, because the script I created, including testing the library is required to convert this Python file into Windows application. So if this library not exists in your computer, so it will be installed first, then it will start. After that, it will start converting this Python script into Windows program. So let's make it happen. Okay, right now, right click, convert to Windows application. Just to single click. It's only single click. So you will have this Windows. Then it will start testing the library. This actually the library here is PyInstaller. This is PyInstaller library now installing in your system, but I don't have any internet connection. So if you see here, you'll see yes, this is satisfied. Satisfied means the library checked already exists in my system. So no need to reinstall again from the internet. But if you have the internet, you will need internet only one time. Before the first time you will run this my register script, you should have internet connection in your computer to be able to install the required libraries is responsible for converting this Python file into executive program, right? That's all you should have internet connection. So this is the progress coming in the background right now. So let's make it at the right side like this. So after converting, you will find the executive file will be here inside this dist folder. This is build folder. After conversion done, when it done, okay, let's see. So you will need only the executive file will be created here, or the executable file will be created here inside this folder. After that, you will be able to run. So if you bring this, the executive file will be created here from this folder. You bring it out this folder, and then you delete these three. Okay, so you need only the executable file, or the executive file will be created inside this folder. Then that's all set. Okay, then you can run this as a exe file. It means executive, so you can use it without need or no need to for Python installation in any computer. So you can take the executive file from here after created here. So you will use it to convert any picture into grayscale picture. This is what I'm gonna show you right now after installation. See, the last stage is resource exe already defined, so completed successfully. So now this is this folder. Now it's appears there is something here is displayed here. This is the executive file. See, this is Windows application. Right click. Let's see. Check it. Properties. This is application. Windows application right now. Not like before. So just to bring this executive file, cut. I'll paste it here. So this is only a temporary file related to the conversion process. So we don't have all of this file. Let's delete. Okay. Then we will need only the process already finished. Let's close it. Now this is a Windows application. How can I use it as a to run the program? This to convert this picture. Just drag this picture, drag the image on the executive file. This is my way. This is my own way to facilitate the job for you. Any picture, okay? Take it and just make it over the. It means this program will convert this in the same location, in the same folder, you will find another folder in a grayscale picture. See? And also it will open. This is a grayscale picture already converted by this exe file. Okay? Now I hope you enjoy this one. When you apply to your system, believe me, you will feel another way or a modern way of how to convert very easy, and it will facilitate your work so much. So you will concentrate only about programming and coding. Just you will make all set. Okay? So just you can try to revise the previous video about how to create new Python file. It will facilitate your work so much. So new Python file, it will be created. Then I can edit by text. Okay, so you can write your code here, or you can edit by another program for IDLE. It will give you notes about your code is corrected or not. It will correct your code automatically. For example, set becomes another color. So anyway, also print. If you write print, then print will be another. If I write hash, it will be take the other, because this is notes. If I want to write any notes inside the script, so that's all. So this script will be available under this video. You will find this very useful for you, especially if you are a beginner or a professional. All I did for you, you will find it very useful for you as a professional or as a beginner. So you'll find it very, very good. This is extremely good, okay, to feel life easier than before. So now we reach to the end of the video. So thanks very, very much for watching this video, and goodbye right now.